Why don't you take a step forward? You're making me nervous. So we don't want to play with our stuff from in our seat. We want to play with our stuff standing on the outside of our player. Makes Mom a little nervous. But apparently we're more proud of ourselves this way. Aren't we? Yeah, we are. You're silly. Are you turning? You're going to fall. Nona's going to be mad if I let you fall on video. She wants to play with all the stuff. She doesn't want to sit in the seat. Say hello. Maddie. Hi. Say hello.